Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave, where I am on day 2 of my June goal to post a deal video for every day of the month in the month of June. And today we are focusing on cleaning supplies. We're going to stock up on some really great deals for this Saturday, June 3rd at Dollar General. Starting off for this deal, grab 2 bottles of finished jet dry cleaners, a Dawn Power Wash, 2 tubs of Lysol disinfecting wipes, and 2 Febreze Air Effects. Now, after all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $15.40 plus tax. And I forgot to mention, of course, that includes the 5 off of 25 Saturday coupon. You gotta make sure you clip that. It will not come off automatically. That makes for a total savings of 46% off for this deal. Several deals in today's video I am dedicating to my girl, Michelle, who has a love of Pine Sol, and we both share this love of Pine Sol, and we're always frustrated that we can never get good coupons on it, and we actually do this week. So Michelle, for this deal, grab 1 Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kit, 1 $4 size bottle of Pine Sol, a Colgate Optic White Pro toothpaste, and 1 tub of Lysol disinfecting wipes. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes to just $11 even plus tax, and that's a 60% off savings. Wow. I honestly cannot remember the last time that we had such a great opportunity to stock up on cleaning supplies for super cheap than we do right now. So for this deal, grab one of those $4 size bottles of Pine Sol cleaner, 2 tubs of Lysol disinfecting wipes, a $4 size bottle of Clorox bleach, a Colgate Optic White Pro toothpaste, and one of the $3.25 packs of Always Discreet liners. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $9 even plus tax for a 65% off savings. You cannot beat this deal. If you are enjoying today's deals, please do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up like button. I cannot emphasize to you enough how big of a difference that does for my YouTube channel, and it is a completely free thing for you to do. It's greatly appreciated. So for this deal, grab 1 Dawn Power Wash, 1 finished jet dry cleaner, 2 bottles of Gain dish soap, and a pack of Skintimate razors. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes to just $11.55 plus tax. And this deal actually reminds me, I don't know why I'm telling you guys this, but we're a couponing family here at LoveLiveSave. Y'all will be so proud of me. For probably the last week and a half, 2 weeks, I've had it on my to-do list to go down to my stockpile and get a bottle of Dawn Power Wash because I've been out, and I finally did it last night, y'all. I am so excited. It's been a struggle bus over here at my house without my Dawn Power Wash. Next up, we are going to score some great deals on paper towels. Super, super cheap. Grab 2 6-count packs of Sparkle paper towels, 2 balls of the Mr. Clean cleaners, and 1 CoverGirl eye pencil set. After all coupons, our total out of pocket is just $11.95 plus tax. For 57% off savings, this is such a great deal. I know I'm probably repeating myself, but I cannot emphasize you enough how good of a time this is to stock up on cleaning supplies. Our out of pocket is just $11.95, which is several dollars less than just the full price of the paper towels alone, and everything else ends up being free. I have a quick question for you. What is your favorite go-to brand of paper towels? I know I've asked this in the past, but I am really thinking about switching up my paper towels because 1, Bounty paper towels are really stinking expensive, and 2, my stores are constantly sold out of it. Apparently, I'm not the only Bounty paper towels fan in my city. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what's your favorite go-to brand. For this deal, grab 1 6-count pack of Sparkle paper towels, 2 bottles of Mr. Clean cleaners, 1 Pine Sol cleaner, 1 105-count box of Gain dryer sheets, and 1 bottle of Clorox disinfecting bleach. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes to just $14 even plus tax. I was so bummed Saturday evening because I unfortunately was not able to get out personally and go couponing. And I was so bummed that the $1 off Glad trash bags coupon expired. And I was so excited when I woke up Sunday morning to a new one. So I am taking advantage of this and stocking up super cheap because I am currently working on deep cleaning around the area of my stockpile so that I can expand it. And I'm going to need some trash bags. So that's what we're going to do. For this deal, grab 1 70-count box of Glad trash bags, a Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kit, and 1 bottle of Downy Rinse and Refresh. This is such an amazing coupon, by the way. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes to just $15.70 plus tax. One of my favorite cleaning supplies in my cleaning supplies kit when I'm doing my deep cleaning around the house is hands down my Scrub Mommy sponges, specifically the Scrub Mommy sponges. It's such an amazing sponge and it lasts a long time. And in case you didn't know, when your Scrub Mommy and Scrub Daddy sponges wear out and start to fall apart, if you go on their website, they actually have a recycling program where they'll give you dollars off your next purchase of new sponges. So make sure you check it out. But I am really low on my Scrub Mommy sponges, so I want to stock up. For this deal, grab 1 Finish Jet Dry Cleaner, 2 Scrub Mommy sponges, a Colgate Optic White Pro toothpaste, a tub of Lysol disinfecting wipes, and 1 bottle of Fabuloso cleaner. After all coupons, our total out of pocket is just $11.95 plus tax. If you're new to couponing and you're a little nervous to go to the store, and let's be real, all of us couponers have been there, I promise you. This is a super beginner-friendly deal because it doesn't have a lot of different pieces to it. Not very complicated. So grab 1 6-count pack of Sparkle paper towels, 2 bottles of Mr. Clean cleaners, 1 Colgate Optic White Pro toothpaste. I love that coupon if that's not obvious by now. And then 1 Schick Intuition razor. After all coupons, our total out of pocket is just $11 even plus tax for a 65% off savings. I do believe this deal is one of my favorite of the entire video. I love pointing out to you guys which are my favorite ones, and it's always based on what is my current needs. I'm trying to stock up on Mr. Clean Cleaner because it's a great product for cleaning all your stuff outside, including four-wheelers and playground equipment. Awesome product. So we're going to grab 2 Mr. Clean Cleaners, 2 medium-sized bottles of Gain Fireworks, and 1 tub of Lysol disinfecting wipes. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes to just $12.75 plus tax for 52% off savings. Now, if you have kids, especially kids that are in elementary school and preschool, with all these coupons that we've been getting lately on Lysol disinfecting wipes and Clorox for that matter, this is a really great time for us to stock up and kind of gift the teachers several tubs of these things come the new school year so that they're a little bit more prepared because they don't have to pay for all the stuff out of pocket when we can score great deals on it, right? If you're looking for even more couponing deals, my couponing deals list over on my Patreon page this week has 110 couponing deals for all the major categories of items that you're wanting to save money on for your family this week. Down below in the comments, I'm pinning a comment that has the link to my Patreon page where I'm doing a 1-week free trial where you can kind of sample my Patreon membership, kind of see what's going on, and you have access to my complete couponing deals list. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out. Make sure you subscribe here to my YouTube channel if you haven't already so you're part of this Love, Live, Save couponing journey. And click on the notification bell as well. That way, when I post any of my deal videos or do one of my fun couponing after dark live chats, you'll receive a notification. You'll be one of the first people to know about it and you won't miss out. And I will see you tomorrow for day 3 of my new series of a deal video for every day of the month of June. And I will see you tomorrow.